I just heard ingoma Isiphandla dog.
Izikalo sabalele siyophenulwa kuyoshiswa impepho kulumi nabadala sicela ukukhala uyothengwa imbuzi ihlatshelwe umfana omncane yathola isiphandla
Bro, how did that song come about, bro?
Yeah?
How did that song come about? Isiphandla.
Oh, yeah.
What's the meaning behind?
Actually, we're talking about izinto ezenzakalayo esiphila ngaphansi kwazo esabantu abamnyama. Because it is Panda, I was trying to go back, kumbuza abantu sisiphi izinto ezibalekile. Yes, you understand? So this is how it came about. I made a beat and I added some vocals, and then the vehicle finished the beats, and then yeah, it was a song. It was a song. Even though XP ukhona lapha we beats, we send him the project and waqhubeka. So yeah.
Oh, so like, are you gonna drop Isiphandla as a single or under a project?
It's under a project, and that's why we was promoting it, thinking of dropping it first before the whole EP.
Yeah, so where people can find you on the social, dog?
I'm Khalil Black on TikTok, official Khalil Black on Instagram, Khalil Black on Facebook. You can find me anywhere. I'm available on Google. You can search me everywhere.
Everywhere. Thank you, dog.